Did you know there's a breed of owl drawn to wealthy areas? Keep watching this owl fact video to find out which owl and why. Fact 1. City owls stay calmer under stress than country owls. In a study published in Conservation Physiology, scientists measured stress hormones in urban and rural burrowing owls to see how they respond to pressure. Both groups started with similar hormone levels, but when faced with a stressful situation, the city owls reacted faster and recovered more quickly. The rural owls, on the other hand, reacted more slowly, but had stronger and longer-lasting stress responses. This pattern suggests that city owls have adjusted, through adaptation or even natural selection, to handle the noise and constant activity of human life without becoming overwhelmed. Fact 2. Barn owls fly in patterns so complex that even physics struggles to explain them. In 2025, scientists published a study in PRX Life using more than 70 million GPS points from wild barn owls of different ages. They found that these owls don't just wander at random. Instead, their movements shift depending on distance, time, and age, something called strong anomalous diffusion. At short distances, the birds seem to dart around unpredictably, but over longer stretches, their paths grow smoother and more directed. This finding matters because many scientists use simple models to predict how animals explore, hunt, or spread out. Barn owls show that real life is far more complex. Fact 3. The owl teaches us how the brain thinks. In 2025, a review in Neuroscience and Biobehavioral Reviews explained how decades of barn owl research have helped scientists uncover how the brain processes sound, vision, and decisions. Studies of how owls locate sounds in the dark revealed how brains mix different types of sensory information and quickly decide where to focus attention. Researchers also discovered how owls' brain cells adjust to changes in sound or light, how visual and hearing signals work together to sharpen direction, and how competing signals inside the brain fight for attention before one wins. The same kinds of brain circuits that help an owl find a mouse in the dark are similar to how humans focus, choose, and act. Fact 4. Owls aren't just good at seeing in the dark, they're built for it from the inside out. In 2020, scientists reported in Genome Biology and Evolution that they compared the DNA of 11 owl species with other kinds of birds. They found strong signs that owls have evolved special genes that help them live and hunt at night. Many of these genes are linked to sight, hearing, and feathers, especially the parts that control how eyes detect light, how ears pick up tiny sounds, and how feathers let them fly almost silently. These changes, known as positive selection, mean that nature favored the owls with the best night hunting skills, generation after generation. Fact 5. Barn owls use different homes for different jobs. In 2021, a study in Movement Ecology tracked 134 breeding barn owls in Swiss farmland using GPS. During the day, owls almost always rest in buildings, which gives safety and shade. At night, when they perch, they prefer meadows, pastures, and forest edges. For flying between sites, they use open spaces, and when hunting, they pick semi-natural areas or special farmland with more natural features, avoiding the heavily farmed fields. This shows that not all owl habitats are equal. Buildings are vital for roosting, but meadows and semi-natural fields are key for food. Fact 6. Barred owls in cities prefer wealthier neighborhoods. Even owls seem to enjoy the nicer parts of town. In Baton Rouge, Louisiana, scientists found that barred owls were more likely to live in richer neighborhoods. These areas often have older trees, more gardens, and more green space, perfect for nesting, resting, and hunting. This discovery is striking because we don't usually think of top hunters as being affected by human wealth. But these owls show that urban wildlife may follow the same social patterns we do. What are your thoughts on owls? Let us know in the comments.